Right, I'm going to try and get through this. I've got man flu. So how do you get the Mavic Mini to broadcast onto a TV or monitor? I'm using a monitor in this case because it's easy to mess about with. Right, what you'll need on Mavic Mini. I'm using iPhone 6s Plus and a Chinese cheapy knockoff Chromecast. This one is a Timum and a power bank to power that. So basically, you get your little Chromecast, HDMI goes in the top, power in the bottom, then plug the Chromecast into the HDMI port on the back of the TV or monitor. Power it up. There we go. Aiming at with this screen. This is device not connected. Now there's a small button on the side of here. You just tap that button and that will open a Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay. So now what you do, go to your phone, put the old Wi-Fi on. So then you'll see the 10cast appear up here. Okay, now go to screen mirroring, select 10cast, and that's going to mirror what's on your screen. So when you launch the DJI Fly app, boom, there you go. Switch on the Mini. Ta-da! Happy days.